Before you upgrade your kitchen with a brand new ZLINE refrigerator, let's make sure you have everything you need for a smooth installation. Before ordering any new large appliance, always measure the space where it will be installed. When measuring for your new ZLINE refrigerator, do not rely on the dimensions of your previous fridge. Instead, measure the height and the width of the opening. For the width, measure the bottom, the middle, and the top, and write down the narrowest width. This will ensure the fridge has enough room to fit the entire opening. Do the same with the height, on the left, middle, and right side of the opening, always noting the smallest dimension. Next, you'll want to measure the depth of the space. This will allow you to see how far your ZLINE refrigerator will stick out into your kitchen with the doors open or closed. Keep in mind that the handles and the hinges on the door will add to the depth of your refrigerator. Refer to the specifications of the ZLINE refrigerator on our website to make sure the measurements all line up and to see how much breathing room your new fridge will need. Safe practice is 1/8 of an inch on either side, at least an inch above, and no less than a 2-inch gap behind the fridge on the back wall. Map out the path of least resistance. Before your new ZLINE refrigerator arrives, walk the path you will bring your refrigerator through. Note any tight fits, and look for obstacles that can be avoided or moved before bringing in the refrigerator. Make a note of any stairs along that path, and have a plan for getting your new refrigerator up or down them safely. Measure the doorways of your home and compare it to the measurements of the ZLINE refrigerator with and without its doors installed. If none of the doors leading into your home are wide enough to fit the fridge through with the doors on it, you will need to uninstall the doors and then bring the fridge and doors inside your home separately. Please be very careful if this is a necessary step for your home delivery. If any concerns come up during the delivery or installation of your new ZLINE refrigerator, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email, as we are always happy to help. Thank you for bringing attainable luxury into your home.